So we're gonna get right into this. Before doing anything on my skin, the first thing I want to do is apply my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This one right here. Hands are clean, wash them before anything. Pump some on my fingers and apply all over my skin. So since this is like a fresh dewy look, especially for me, I love that type of look because I do have dry skin. I always go and want a moisturizer, and this one right here is really good. It's not expensive. Then after, I go in with the MAC Strobe Cream. I got the original one, the pink light, but I kind of want to get the golden one too. Applying this to my face as well, like dewy on top of dewy. That glow from within type of look. Where's my clip? I'm going to clip my hair so none of this goes in my face. So I'm all about the fresh and dewy look. Foundation, I only like applying a foundation once in a while, not that much. Like an everyday thing, that's not me. I can't do it. And it's not because I'm like, ugh, I'm against it, but it's just like I never was that person to do that. Also with powders dry me out. And if I do apply powder, it's just a little bit of powder just to set certain areas, but not everything. I like this dewy, fresh, moisturized look. So, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. I just realized in this video, majority of the items that I'm using are brand new. My first time using it, or I just repurchased it. This is in Light Sand. I'm applying a little bit. The new sponge that I'm using is the Morphe sponge, the highlight and contour, but it's a beauty sponge, so I'm using this for my concealer as well. Okay. I'll apply some on my lid as well. Liking this concealer because it's not so bright, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want something that looks so far off of my skin tone. I wanted something that kind of, I think if I got like just a shade darker, it would be a little bit better. Because with this look, I don't want to look like I'm like highlighted right here under my eyes or anything. I just want to look like it's my skin. With this look, it's not a oh, I look flawless look, like it's like you have no blemishes or anything like that. It's more of a natural look, fresh and dewy natural look. You're gonna see a little bit of your imperfections, and that's okay. I have some blemishes, but it's mostly redness that I have, and it gets me annoyed because there's a lot on my cheek, and I'm just like, dude, come on, get it together, you know? Like, yeah. This sponge, it's a little bit stiff, but it's not that bad. You still could see my veins on my lids, but I don't want anything heavy on my lids. I just want something to make it less veiny. Now I am going to use one more concealer, and this is from e.l.f. as well. I don't know what's the name of this, but this is in light beige. I don't know if anything is left in here. Yes, it is. On the site, a lot of people do not like this because I guess it's not full coverage or anything like that. This is extremely light coverage, but that's what I love about it. It's light coverage, but it's also dewy, and it gives life to your skin, so I like that. You see, it gives like a fresh look under. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know if you can, but when I always apply this, it gives a nice dewy finish. The product that's left over, I'm just applying and blending out. I understand why certain people like full coverage concealer because they have maybe more darkness than me, or more blemishes than me that they need to cover up, so that's very understandable. This is what works for me and I like it. I'm going to be trying something that is new and I have not tried. This is from e.l.f. It's the cream contour palette. This is how it looks. This is not new. Okay, I just purchased it because I wanted to try it out. But look at this. Look at it has a nice mirror. These are the shades. I won't be using this. I mean, maybe I can use this, but not as like of right now. I'm gonna dip into these two maybe. Try this one first and then maybe dip into that one just a little bit. Tapping it in. I'm so nervous. It's okay to be nervous, especially when it's the first time trying something out. Like, why not? And I'm just gonna pat that. And I don't want anything like too, like, oh my god, like noticeable. Something natural, you know? Natural. I have no product up here and I'm just going to buff the edges out. Using the same cream contour in the same shade. I'm gonna dip in with this brush. I need to clean it. But I'm gonna dip into the cream contour again with this brush. Just apply some in my crease. Going back and forth with it. And even right here. I like this cream contour. I am done with that one, but now I'm going to get into this cream blush palette, of course, from e.l.f. It's the same packaging as a mirror, and then look at these blushes. I think they all are beautiful, but I'm going to dip in to this one right here. It's just calling my name. Taking this same brush that I used for the contour and dipping in. I'm dipping into this cream blush, tapping it on my hand. I don't want it like so much. And then applying on my cheeks. Ooh. But this looks so pretty. And I haven't applied no highlight, and look at how this looks. Beautiful. I'm going into this highlight. It's a glow duo from City Colors. One side is cream and one side is powder. Of course, I'm going to dip into the cream. This is cruelty free. I like that. Taking my ring finger, warming this bad boy up. And I'm just going to, I don't even need the highlights, okay? Because I already look dewy. But I want to do it. So I'm just gonna pop some on. I have to curl my lashes, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and then apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. My top lashes still have the curl from when my cousin Demi did the lash lift. I'm telling you, like, that's the best thing ever, especially if you have like long lashes but you just need them to curl. Like, a lash lift is everything. So if you need that and you're in New York, or you know, you're visiting New York, I will leave my cousin Demi's info down below, so check her out. My lips, I'm going to use something nude, you know, nothing too crazy. This is new as well. This is from e.l.f. of course. This is the Beautiful Bare Satin Lip. This is in Touch of Nude. It's not so dramatic, that's what I like about it. And on top of that, I'm going to put this Cargo Cosmetics lip gloss in Tahoe's, I think it is. Last but not least, I'm going to take, oh my god, I love how I look. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Shake it up. this is the end result. I honestly, everything that I use, I love how it looks. I'm such a dewy person. I can't really know. These cream products, elf, thank you. You guys surprised me. The elf contour palette and blush palette, I am loving that so much because honestly that's good for any skin types. For the elf contour palette, I don't know if it was like a light or dark, like if you had to choose your color. I think that was the only one, and if that's the case, I don't know if it will be good for people that are more dark skinned, because I mean these tones are good and everything, but if I could dip into this one a little bit and it, like, you know, fades away because it's cream, you're like buffing it out, they should have a darker palette, like one for light, one for medium, and one for dark skin. Everything that I use today, honestly, I freaking love it. I love it. This is the end result. I am loving this. Fixing my hair still. I am loving this. It's so fresh and dewy and also natural. I think I did this kind of quick, and I think maybe I was just excited. I don't know, I'm talking really fast right now. Wait, okay. Yeah, this was quick and easy, and it just looks so good. Everything I use in this video, like the concealer, I know some people be like, okay, I can't use that because they need something that's full coverage than what I have, and that's like light to medium coverage. And it's understandable. You just swap out what you need for yourself, because honestly, we all could do this and we all could look fresh and dewy and natural. So this is the end, and I'm so happy and excited. It's just like, wow. I will be having 2 videos up. That's like, one, just my brows, because in the beginning I was just doing my brows and I was actually talking through it, talking through it. So that'll be one video, and then this will be another video. So if you see me in this again in that brow video, then just know it's because I was filming it the same day. I don't know why I'm saying all this, but I feel like, yeah, let's talk. I'm so happy, you know. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the end. I hope you enjoy this video. Like I always say, it's like a damn repeat, but I really do hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can keep on watching me. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.